Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be installing DroidX UI 2.1 based on Android 14 QPR2 on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. Before we begin, please remember that this process will wipe all your data. Make sure you have a recent backup. Also, I'll assume you've already unlocked the bootloader of your phone. If not, there are resources available online to guide you through that process. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to boot your phone into bootloader mode. Power off your phone completely. Then, hold down the volume down and power buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until you see the Mi Bunny logo. Now, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. We'll be flashing a custom recovery image called Orange Fox Dynamic Partition Recovery. You'll find the download link in the video description. We'll be using fast boot commands to flash the recovery image. If you're unfamiliar with fast boot, there are tutorials online on how to set it up. Locate the downloaded Orange Fox recovery image on your PC, open a command prompt or terminal window, and navigate to the directory where the recovery image is stored. Type the following command: replace recovery.image with the actual file name if it's different, and press enter. With the phone still connected to your PC, type fastboot reboot recovery command to reboot your phone into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, you might need to swipe to allow modifications. Warning: this step will erase all your data. Make sure you have a backup before proceeding. Go to the Wipe section, select Advanced Wipe. Here, you'll need to wipe several partitions. Dalvik, cache, and data. For format data, type yes. Now again, reboot your phone to recovery and copy the ROM zip file into the phone's internal storage. Now go back to the main menu of the recovery. Navigate to the Install section. Locate the downloaded DroidX UI 2.1 ROM zip file you copied to your phone's storage earlier. Select the ROM zip file and swipe to confirm the flash. The flashing process might take a few minutes. Be patient. Once the flashing is complete, select Reboot System now. Your phone will reboot, and the first boot might take longer than usual. Be patient. You've successfully installed DroidX UI 2.1 on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. Don't forget to check the video description for any additional notes or tips mentioned by the creator of the ROM. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to help.